Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on a 2013 Camry, I'll show you how to remove the rear bumper cover. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. You can see there's an actual cover here that covers the one of the mounting bolts. So I'm going to pop that cover off with a little pocket screwdriver. And then there's the actual mounting bolts, 10mm socket. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and then we're going to raise the vehicle up. I'm going to undo two of these body clips. There's one just like this on the other side. Pull that one down, and then this one. Then we're going to have some mounting bolts that are 10mm socket. I'm going to disconnect those. You have one on 10mm socket screw and right here behind the tire. And there's one on the other side. We're going to do the same to that side. So there's going to be one mounting bolt in each fender well in this location. It's for the rear bumper cover. 10mm socket. Now we're going to grab the bumper cover firmly in the fender well and pull it out of the trim clips. And follow yourself all the way around to the other side. Do the same over here. So I'm going to be lining up these little push clips in with the tail lamp eyelet things. That's what I'm going to call them. Follow that trim right around. Follow the piece right around this side. I'm going to throw these mounting bolts in the back here, both sides, before the bumper cover decides to fall back off. It's held on by mostly just push style body clips. So you're going to line up the cover. There you go. I'm going to put the screw back up in the fender well. That's a 10mm socket. Snug that down. This mounting screw. There's one in each fender well. Right behind the tire. Now we're going to put our 4 bolts in these undercarriage area. Snug them up, and the last 2 clips are these body clips right here. Slide them right through that bracket, lock them.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.